Welcome to Lesson 8 of Unit 7, Sun and Moon. In this lesson, students work to answer the question, how can we represent the patterns we see in the sky? They will review different cycles that can be observed in the night sky from previous lessons, and create a story about their birthday to represent the patterns of the sun, moon, and stars using what they have learned throughout this unit. They figure out that there are patterns to what can be seen in the sky, and these patterns vary with the time of year and season. In the Engage, return to the cycle cards from Lesson 1. Review the birthday cake, day and night, and moon phase cards and discuss what makes it a cycle. Hold up the birthday cake and ask students how do they know they get a birthday every year. Remind them of when they walked around the sun balloon, saying the months of the year, representing Earth's orbit, or a full revolution around the sun. Hold up the day and night card. Remind them of when they rotated on their axis toward and away from the sun balloon. Hold up the moon phase card. Ask them if they have seen different phases of the moon in the night sky. Remind them that the moon phases occur in a pattern: new moon, quarter, full, quarter, and back to new moon. Using the globe and the sun balloon, the styrofoam ball on a skewer, and the months of the year cards, gather the students in a circle surrounding the sun balloon. How many different cycles can we demonstrate using the models we have? Have the students model day and night by rotating the globe or their bodies. Model the year by saying the months as they revolve around the sun, and the seasons by revolving and saying the seasons instead of the months. Ask them to predict when the next phase will come. For example, what comes after night? What comes after winter? Have the students revolve around the sun and say more or less for the hours of daylight, with more hours in the spring and summer, and less hours in the fall and winter. Then have one student hold the Earth globe while you hold the moon model, and rotate around that student holding the Earth globe, saying when there will be a full moon and when there will be no moon. Review the differences between rotation and revolution and how we can observe patterns in the sky. Then watch this video, Earth's Rotation and Revolution. Ask students, what can we see at night that we can't see during the day? Why can't we see them during the day? Have a discussion on how the nearness of the sun blocks out the stars, but remind them that we can sometimes see the moon. Ask students, when is your birthday? What do you do on your birthday? Explain to the class that they are now going to have a chance to represent patterns of the sun, moon, and stars on their birthday by writing a story. Refer students to student pages 15 to 16, explaining that they will draw a picture at 4 different times of the day on their birthday. They must show the sky in each of their pictures. They will then write a story about their day on the lines below. Review the rubric with students shown on student page 17, so that they know what to include in their drawings or story. Teacher guidance can be found on teacher page 31, and if time allows, have students share their story with a partner or in front of the class. By the end of this lesson, students will predict the future appearance of objects in the night sky from observations of patterns and represent the patterns we see in the sky on their birthday.